Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? HTML tag, table, tr, td, li, and creating website. Let's start coding. First, I want to create a new file, full website.html, and create HTML structure. Let's close that site. Let's make our project live by clicking go live button. We don't see anything because there is nothing on our web page now. First, we create a table. And I want to put comment, let's say header section. Just select and press command if you use Mac, or if you use Windows, please press Ctrl and slash. Let me type the shortcut here. So this is the shortcut of creating comment section. Let's create tr, then td, then h3 html layout. Let's save it for you. You just see the HTML layout. I'm going to put some inline style as we did before. Let's make our table width 100%. Let's put some other style for td, correspond to then style, background color, let's say that color, and text align center. And let's save it. You see our title centered and background has changed. Make it a little bit smaller. We are going to learn easier way to do that in our future tutorials. Let's give some style for title, style, font size 20 pixels, and color white. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.